6.5 hours. Are you ready? You look very snuggly. What's open at this hour? Okay.
Or
Better Buzz.
Better Buzz.
Yeah, Better Buzz. I agree.
Yes.
Oh my goodness, and that is only just to Costco gasoline. How was your nap?
Amazing.
We made a quick stop at Dutch Bros. First timer at Dutch Bros. We'll see how it is. And my butt hurts from driving so long. Oh, and it's black too, yeah?
Yeah, it's funny.
It's really good. Oh, I'm excited for this one.
That makes me say,
Oh, that's pretty good.
tasty.
You might want to mix it a little bit more. That's good. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Oh, look what they left us today.
Your amenity.
It's in the refrigerator.
Magpok.
Hey, they spelled our last name right.
Mag-
What's in the refrigerator? Ooh.
Wishing you a very happy anniversary. Thanks,
Wow, they
Seth
all
and
signed
Haley
it.
and Zeus and Javi and Kelly and Jake, Deborah, Rito, Abdul, and Sriver. Congratulations on another wonderful year of falling in love with each other.
Aww.
Happy anniversary from the team at Hilton Sedona Resort at Bell Rock.
Jeez. We're gonna get lit tonight. Oh, yes. Very nice, very nice. I mean, we won't be spending much time here.
No, you-
Dang, yeah, that's pretty cool. Oh, that's sick. Alright, come on, everybody.
I'm gonna just leave this screen. There's no bugs
We
there.
got an electric fireplace, you know, set the vibe. Wait, I think the view might be better here. Dang, okay, now we're talking. Look at that. Bell Rock. We got some other rock, maybe Cathedral Rock, or who knows. Wow.
This is nice.
This is nice, I like it.
Yeah.
We're on our first hike today for the day. Checking out Sugarloaf Trail. Got our brand new boots. Didn't even break it in yet, but this is the trail to break it in. Let's go. We're doing it.
Thunder Mountain? Whoa.
Thunder Mountain.
This is where you got the Disneyland ride from?
I think so. Is there a ride here?
Where's the goat?
Where's the fast track? Oh, did we go to Teacup?
Which one did we go to? Teacup?
Do a eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Just kidding.
I think Teacup.
Yeah. So we want to go Teacup
Oh, yeah.
to the summit.
Yeah, let's
Where
do
is
that.
oh,
Yeah, that looks nuts.
that's too crazy.
Let's do Teacup.
Lizard head. That must be that. Lizard head. Jeez. Please don't mind my extra heavy breathing. Oh. Damn. Woo. All right, lazy dinner. Not really a lazy dinner. It's just
Everything
in-
is just packed.
yeah. It's one restaurant we wanted to go to, Mexican restaurant. Sounds good. 1 hour wait minimum.
And it was already like 7:45.
Everything around here closes pretty early. So, good note to take for tomorrow when we plan our meals. And sorry I didn't show you guys, but chicken salad sandwich,
Tuna.
tuna sandwich, lentil soup. We got some kale salad, and we got some drinks from the bar downstairs. And yeah, that's about it.
And chili lemon
Oh,
sticks
chili,
and
oh
pineapples
yeah,
from
we got a lot of things.
from home.
Too many things. All right.
Bye.
Oh, this one looks like it has a lot of chocolate chips. Dude, you just grabbed it with all your fingers, you nasty.
I did it. I went like this.
Oh my goodness. Fix the lighting.
Okay, there's 3 different ways to get to Devil's Bridge: Dry Creek Road, Mescal Trailhead, or Chuck Wagon Trail. I saw that.
Come on, Mom. The Dry Creek Trail where we off-road it.
Dry Creek Road.
So figure out how to turn on the. Yeah, Dry Creek Road.
Oh, someone went in the rain. That looks so scary.
Is that recently?
I don't know. You know how people post their own photos? Look at
Yeah.
the photo of this person.
So this is the goal tomorrow.
Look. It looks so
that's
scary.
sketchy. That is-
It's probably so slippery.
That's scary. The last chance for warmth in the car. I'm shutting it down. Oh, let's go. Keys, wallet, phone. Alright. Black 4Runner. Damn, I feel my blisters. Whoa, take it easy, treasure hunter.
You feel that? This is double socket.
Yeah,
Okay, you ready?
I'm ready. Alright, see you guys at the top. Red Rock, Secret Mountain. You guys can't really see the view, but sun is coming up. We gotta go faster. Yeah, just gonna have to be careful. Damn. Damn. All right, let's go. Oh. Dang, I'm gonna go sit over there. No. Oh. Cheese. Oh.
Yeah. By the time we're done with the trip, I'll send
So how do you feel about that hike, huh?
This is
Crazy,
so
bro.
cool.
Good thing we beat the crowd. Check them out. Check them out.
And it's not even 7 a.m.
Yeah.
Holy crap, is that guy gonna jump?
Oh yeah. Bro, we made it back. Look, people are pouring in. No other car here, but this other 4Runner, of course. Woo-hoo-hoo, let's go. Back on. Alright, so want to share something. Our previous memory card may have been fried, but we will find out when we get home. But the next trail right now is Subway Caves. check it out. I'm gonna be hiking over there. Snack time.
Let's see. So the
Coconut?
options.
Okay. Trader Joe's.
Sponsor.
Oh, sponsor. Come on, spider monkey. Ooh, it's a slide. Good? High five.
Oh yeah.
Just finished Subway Cave. I think we're done for the day.
I think so.
I think we're gassed.
It's about to be 2 p.m.
Yeah, we've been hiking for about 2.5 hours. Oh, all right. That's gross.
I wanted to see if the powder worked.
That's gross. Oh, I'm not smelling that.
I wanted to see if the foot powder
It
worked.
does work. It's foot powder. We still got one more day tomorrow. Probably just have breakfast.
Well, we drive home tomorrow.
Yeah, we drive home tomorrow. Sedona, 11 out of 10. Highly recommend. What do you think out of everything we did today? Or this whole trip? I guess there's only 3 hikes. Or 4 hikes.
3.
3 hikes, yeah. Okay, best one out of the 3.
Devil's Bridge.
Devil's Bridge?
Yeah, I really liked it.
I guess because it was like quick and like has a good view.
I think because it wasn't crowded.
Yeah, actually that's right. My favorite because the beginning part of Devil's Bridge was off-roading at nighttime, and then we hiked at not nighttime but early morning time, and that was sick. We used headlamps and everything, and oh bro, I got some blisters.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Smack me.
Oh.
Ew! My shirt is moist. Feel that. Oh, your feet are veiny.
Bro. What is that? Feet pics.
You're not gonna.
These are
feel
free,
that.
bro.
That's so disgusting.
Oh, action, bro.
That's so gross. Go show life.
All right. We're gonna go get some, I don't know, snacks, souvenir shop, and yeah, we'll see you guys later.
With some sauce. I don't even know, but it's like
So this is
so good.
prickly pear fries. Bomb.
It's so good,
It's like onions.
but better.
No.
I already love nopales, so
You're right. Yeah.
but this is just like different type of way of eating it. I think that's better.
Butter.
So fast, yeah. The food. We'll check everything.
Okay.
My phone is there.
All right.
Oh, I found this thing in the safe. I didn't know if you put anything in the safe. So
Is
I
it
opened it. There's a paper with someone's passwords on it.
Oh.
Password emergency kit. I'll show it.
Oh, I'll show the viewers.
Like, just gonna put
It's
that.
crazy.
Because I wrote it on it. No, it's not hard.
Yeah. Again, one more time on the view. Can't get over it. All right. Wow. This was our view from our room. Goodbye, Sedona. We'll see you later. Goodbye. I forgot to rub the lotion.
Why is there lotion?
Goodbye, Sedona. See you guys.
Goodbye, my friend. You have been the one. You have been the one for me. Goodbye. I thought you ended it.
Alright, we'll see you guys later. Bye.